come to Barbados, she says. Get some sunny weather, she says. Yeah, it's absolutely bouncing at the moment. Yeah, look at it down there. Oh dear.
At Butterfly Beach Hotel, here's our room tour. It's raining, so we thought we'd do this today. So as soon as you walk in, you hit the little kitchen area. You have the microwave, very clean, very clean. You have some mats for the table, cutlery. You have washing up liquid. You have some glasses. That is the cooker. You have some utensils in there and washing up stuff in there. Pots and pans in there, very clean. Hello. Yeah, very clean. Fridge and little freezer. The bin is in here, it's changed every day. And then you walk into the main place. You have a good sized mirror, a little desk and a chair, a big TV, nice little butterflies on there, big TV, and there are the channels you can watch. We haven't turned it on, so we don't know if it works. Drawers. Nice deep sets of drawers, lots of wardrobe space, tons and tons of wardrobe space. You have an ironing board and you've got the same in there, lots of space. Ironing board, you have a hairdryer in this place, massive bed, you have a light. One size has the drawers, chair, table for two. And then you've got your balcony, you have two lots of chairs there, table and chairs that side, the view outside, air conditioning is great. And then walking back through this way, you've got the bathroom, it's no frills. Nice modern clean bathroom, towels changed every day, little butterfly touches. Nice shower. Yeah, everything you could want. Nice bathroom, no bath, but yeah, so that's it really. A little kitchenette bit here, and that's a picture as you walk in. This one's ocean view room at the Butterfly Beach Hotel. Nice picture on the wall, and you also have a phone there as well if you need it. And that's it. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in the next one.